Okay, you guys, you see this problem we was having right here at the front of our doorway when people come in. It's Halloween time, don't mind that, but we need to solve this issue right here, you guys. So what did I do? I went ahead and got this 3-tier shoe rack from Amazon. You can check the description down below if you want to get you one of these. This is just going to make life easier for us as soon as people walk in the house, because we got the kids just throwing the shoes everywhere. Visitors, we want them to take the shoes off, leaving their shoes right there. So we got to get some organization around this piece. Let's put this together, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and join the J-Hen Travel and Life crew over here on this side, you guys. So yeah, we're going ahead, we're putting this together here. And if you're interested in seeing another shoe rack, I actually have a 8-tier shoe rack as well in my bedroom. Check out the unboxing and assembling of that top 5 Amazon shoe rack right there. But let's go ahead and put this easy shoe rack together, you guys. Let's go.